Do you say, he has 20 years? Careful, that's a classic EFL mistake. In English, we don't have age, we are age. So instead of saying, he has 20 years, you must say, he is 20 years old. Think of it like this. In some languages, age is something you have. But in English, age describes you, so we use be. I am 20, she is 30, they are 15. Easy fix, right? Write your correct sentence in the comments. I am years old. And follow ESC Grammar and Structure for more quick, fun English tips.
Hey everyone! Welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure